Hey everyone, I'm back again. I received in the mail Makartt nail art foil set. I'm so excited to try this. So I'm going to show you. So I've got a nail ready. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it or not. I want to show you something real quick. I don't know if you've seen my last video yet. I told you my nails glow. I want to show you something real quick. I just charged them up barely in my UV lamp. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that cool? This is some glow powder that I got off of Amazon. I will do a review if anybody would like to see that. I think there's 12 colors in there. This one's pink that I used, and then it glows purple. Being out in the day when I am, it soaks up so much sunlight that my nails glow all night long. Like I'm not even joking. They're still glowing in the morning when I wake up. That's just how much it's a really good powder. I really like it. I don't know if anybody's had solar color dust. That works really well too. This was just some cheaper glow powder off of Amazon, and I really like it. It's awesome. And I'm sure you can mix it with acrylic. I believe I mixed it once with what's called polygel. It worked great. But if you'd like to see a video on the glow powder, just let me know. But in the meantime, I'm going to be trying this set out. I'm so excited. My hair's in the way. I'm so excited about this because I have such an issue. I love foil. I have so much foil. I absolutely love foil. But I have such an issue with the glue. Like, it's not even funny. So, it comes with 2 sets of foil, which is so cool. Look how pretty they are. Oh, I love them. Excuse me. And then it comes with 2 very nice sized bottles of their nail art foil glue. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to take one of these out, and I'm going to pick a foil. I think I'm going to pick a solid color one this time. Let's see. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at them. Oh, I just love the sparkle. Aren't they gorgeous? Which one do I want to try? Which one do I want to try? I think I'm going to try this one. Look how pretty. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. I'm going to try this one. Now, if I'm right, you have to cure this. Let's see if this has a smell. It has a very faint smell. It's nothing terrible. Okay, so let's see here. I'm just going to go right on top of the nail tip. I'm not even going to be bothered to paint it because I'm using a full color foil anyways. And this will give me a good idea if it, fully covers or not. Make sure to get it nice and even all the way around. And now we will cure it. Okay, so here we are. It's cured. I got myself a lint-free wipe here. I'm just going to find the end right here. And let's see, how do I want to do this? I could actually do it. I'm going to do it this way just because I'll get all 3 colors in. If I do it this way rather than this way, I might not get them all. So, there's the moment of truth. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's just lay it down. Oh, I'm so excited. And now I'm just going to rub it. Oh, I don't know why I bother with that thing. Okay, I'm just going to rub it I'm going to put some pressure on it because I really want it to stick. It looks like it moved right there. That could be my fault, but I mean, I need practice. Alright, so let's see. Look at that. Besides the little parts where I think it was my fault. Let's see if I can like fix it. The same colors. Look at that! That's so cool. So, please don't mind noise in the background. That's my dog. He's always all over me. He's freaking huge. Okay. He's going in his cage now, so he's going to be loud about it. Yeah. Okay. This is pretty cool. I like how it's still nice and tacky enough for you to be able to fix any mistake areas, which is pretty cool because with the traditional glue, it loses its tackiness pretty quickly. At least for me it always did. Which is always like the downfall when it came to using foil. But I mean, look at that! Look how freaking cool! I love it. It's beautiful. Look at that. Barely any bits and pieces missed. The only reason certain spots might be missed is because this is a flat surface. You know, this is a flat piece of foil where your nail is curved, so it's going to wrinkle up a little bit. Best thing you can do is just use a wipe, or use maybe like a silicone tool or a dotting tool, or you know, something that you can try to help smooth out the little wrinkles with the best that you can. Or you can just, you know, do what I just did and go over it with other spots. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm very happy with it. I think it looks awesome. I think this is really, really neat because the glue just sucks. It absolutely sucks. I hate dealing with the glue, waiting for it to dry. If you get some parts too thick and some parts too thin, it's just like, you never know if it's going to work. But this worked. This worked first try. And that's awesome in my book. That makes this so worth the buy. Like, oh my gosh. I have so much foil and I can use it now. So I'm going to top coat it. If I can find my top coat. Okay, I've got my Born Pretty No Wipe top coat right here. We're going to go ahead and top coat this. Let's see here. I like to use gel top coat on foil because it doesn't wrinkle it, where certain regular nail polish top coats will wrinkle your foil, and that just sucks. I mean, to do a whole set and then, you know, work so hard and then just to put regular top coat on and it crinkles up and it looks bad all of a sudden, it just, that's a real bummer. Like, I couldn't do it. But I like to top coat all my stuff with gel top coat just because I love the shine. Okay, I'm going to cure this and then I'll be right back to show you the final result. Alright, so there it is. All done. Beautiful and shiny. 3 different colors in it. So cool. And then you get quite a bit of foil. I mean, look at this. I mean, that's a lot of foil. This will last you a long time. Especially since I'm sure you wouldn't be doing the same one over and over again. You'd be going back and forth. Foil can be very cheap. You can look it up on AliExpress, on Amazon, on eBay. I mean, anywhere. If you shop on Wish, I used to shop on Wish. You can search it on there. Like, foil's everywhere. It's relatively cheap. So, I wasn't even thinking. I was looking for the instructions, and I just realized paper in the box. Didn't even see them there. How cool is this, guys? How freaking cool is this? This is totally worth the purchase. And you get all this foil plus 2. Woo! My camera fell. Alright. Plus 2 huge bottles of the foil glue. How awesome! You can't beat this price. You can't go wrong with this. How much was this? It's worth it, considering how rough the regular glue is. It's totally worth it. Let me see. This kit goes for $20.99, and then right now, if you go on Amazon to purchase it, there is a coupon that you can clip and save 8%. You can apply it to your checkout. Just letting you guys know, just in case you're interested in buying it right now. This is too cool. I think it's worth the purchase. I don't have any complaints about this. My freaking dog's hair. I hate the regular glue so much. I really do. Like, it makes me never want to touch my foil. But this is so cool. It's revolutionary. I'm so glad that a company finally came out with this. It's awesome. So, check it out. I'll put the link in the description box if you're interested. Make sure to clip that coupon, save 8%. It's not a whole lot, but every little bit counts, right? I hope you guys get it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!